Now we have a paramagnetic material, as the we have seen in the previous video, that is a diamagnetic material, and we have understand what is magnetic dipole moment as well as what is domain. So in this paramagnetic material we can see that orientation of a magnetic dipole moment which is random, as well as a diamagnetic material, and there is no permanent magnetic dipole moments are available here. So this situation is for without applying the magnetic field. Now suppose we are going to apply some external magnetic field to the paramagnetic material. So what happens? Your dipole moment should align with the direction of applied magnetic field, applied external magnetic field. So what does it mean? It does means that your external magnetic field should pass through the paramagnetic material, or you can say that your paramagnetic material should allow the external magnetic field to pass through it. Now what should be noticed in this theory? If we are going to apply if we are going to remove your external magnetic field, if we are going to remove the external magnetic field, then your paramagnetic material have their magnetic dipole moment should regain its original condition or situation. That is the notice point for the paramagnetic material. So let's see some of the examples like that. That is platinum, manganese, aluminium, chromium, sodium, and liquid oxygen. Okay, this is nothing but your paramagnetic material. So now let's talk about the ferromagnetic material. In the ferromagnetic material, the same condition is there. Some of the permanent dipole moments are available in this ferromagnetic material. Originally, first of all, without applying the magnetic field, the same condition is there. If we are going to apply for the ferromagnetic material, in this ferromagnetic material, all the magnetic dipole moments should orientate with the direction of same direction of external magnetic field, the same as the paramagnetic material. Now what is the difference between the paramagnetic and ferromagnetic? The difference is that if we are going to remove the external magnetic field, the paramagnetic material have a dipole moments will regain its situation, but in the ferromagnetic material they do not regain its actual situation. They will remain as a applied external magnetic field direction. That means some kind of a effect should remain due to applied external magnetic field. So in the ferromagnetic material, some of the magnetic moments remains in the same direction even if we are going to remove external magnetic field. Okay, so this is your ferro and paramagnetic materials.